Hey guys, and in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to close a live running trade. On my screen, you can see that I've got a MetaTrader up. I've got one live trade on, which is Euro USD. To close the trade, I'm simply going to hold the trade itself. And then you're going to see close, modify, trade, and chart. Very, very simple, guys. No trick question. You're just going to click close. You come to the close screen. And then here, it shows you right at the top what you are closing, your risk, which is 0.25. It gives you your stop loss and take profit, which you have manually put in. And then it says underneath that, close with profit, and then the monetary value of what you're closing. You simply just click close. And then you can see, go to your history button, which is the fourth icon at the bottom. Bada bing, bada boom. And that is the trade closed with either profit or loss made. So that's how you close a running trade.